Here's how to boom bap. Let's jump straight in. We're going to need a piano sample. Most boom bap tracks use samples. We can chop this however we want. Let's pitch this sample up and add a gross beat halftime effect. Do the same with this horn. Now this sounds fire. Drums. We need that old school feel. Let's add kicks and snares. Now let's add hats. Slightly off-grid to give it a human feel. Assign to a mixer track and add some reverb and vinyl effects. Bass, of course, following the root notes of our piano chords. And all together, that's how you boom bap. The full beat is linked in the description of this video, out now on all platforms. Make sure to check it out. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.